Right behind the new,
Well, hello, Spaceship Earth. It's been quite a while. Also, best park is best. All right. I'm coming for you, Shawn. I'm coming for you, Shawn. It's that time. Look at that Epcot Christmas tree. Remember me. Ugh, look how big this one is. Mariachi skeleton marionette. This guy keeps following me. I don't know, about your height, wears a hat and a beard.
yeah.
Yeah, it's weird. Wait a minute.
Point him out to me, I'll take care of him.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah. Wait a minute.
Excuse me, we are looking for a dog. Never mind. To guide us. Guitars will be.
Oh, it's dusk at Epcot, which means that everything in World Showcase is starting to light up and look amazing. Chelsea was dead set on getting this eggnog beer, and she's finally in line. I'm starting to get a little hungry though, so we need to figure out what we're gonna do for food. I just wanted to appreciate this Epcot sunset behind the clouds here.
My grandpa, he got up, and he had one more very special present for the family. He walked over to the drum set, which was set up next to the Christmas tree, of course, and he started playing a groove, which went something like this. And you know, my grandma, she was a rocker. A rocker. So, she too got up. And she grabbed her electric guitar. And then she plugged it into the amp. Turned it up all the way to 11. And my grandma, this is true, 90 years of age, on Christmas Eve started playing a song for us. Which ran a little something like this.
Alright, so continues my annual hunt in the Germany Pavilion for any kind of Krampus merchandise. Will this year be my year? Probably not, but we're gonna check anyway. Oh my god, this place smells amazing. Oh yeah, that's good. It's good stuff. Look at all these little guys. There's a Yoda, there's a BB-8, there's an R2-D2, and I don't know, I don't recognize this guy. That arm looks weird though. What'd you find? His friend's having some fun on his Ferris wheel. Yep, look at that penguin. Can we buy this giant clock? See your ears right here. You better get them. Just another Spaceship Earth appreciation shot from across the pond here. Nice American pavilion. Christmas tree lit up at night. Peppermint schnapps hot chocolate. That's what I'm in line for. I don't care that it's 75 degrees and humid. I'm still gonna drink it. I got it. I'm not sure if you guys can hear that chorus singing, but the candlelight processional is going on right now. It's too crowded. I'm not even gonna pass by and get a shot of it. Maybe I will. I don't know. I'm gonna wing it. But it's going on. And I think Neil Patrick Harris is the MC tonight for the candlelight processional. Chelsea Gasly and I just got caught in a torrential downpour in Epcot, and yeah, still going to Disney Springs. I mean, we're already soaking wet. What else could happen? I probably shouldn't have said that. Yeah, we're going to Disney Springs. We just decided to come back to Homecoming because it's that good. And once again, hard cut. My apologies for all these hard cuts in the last few vlogs. I do apologize. However, this night, we were soaking wet. As you saw, we ended up at Disney Springs. We went to Homecoming. And as a matter of fact, as I was filming the last clip, Chelsea got a phone call, and unfortunately it was bad news. We had a death in the family. So I stopped filming, and we got our food to go, and we went back to the hotel, and we just kind of to decompress and process. Everything's fine now. So anyway, again, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please, if you liked what you saw, hit the like button, maybe hit the bell notification, and also hit the subscribe button if you're new here. Kind of keeps you in the loop of what I've got going on. I do have a few more of these videos to upload. Until then, we'll see you real soon. Stay spooky.